People, this video on our watch so now editorial and Joyce her ex help. My people, you know, every things they happen for this life, oh, but I will fair leave una watch both of them. May we see who be who.
I introduce you there. So since I introduced her to you guys, and now she wants to leave us and go. So come and say bye bye. Hi. Come to where there's lights. She like. Hi, you're doing like baby Beverly. Okay, come, since you don't have what to say, let me ask you. So you want to leave us and go, yeah? I did not sack you. Did I sack you?
No.
Where do you want to leave us? You don't want to stay. Where do you want to leave us? Let me know if you answer your question.
I don't know what to say.
Because you just say what you want. Why you?
Your name is your baby. They know my name.
And they know your name. Why do you want to leave us?
Your reason, like.
I pay you, right?
Yes.
Actually, we pay you now.
Yes.
We pay you on time, right?
Yes.
So we're not owing you.
Nothing much.
But you said the other time that when you want to leave is when you'll be leaving for school. But you've not gotten admission yet. Anyway, she's actually leaving and it's all for good, you know, just like I said. Okay, we move. So she will be preparing whenever she wants to leave. You get used to it. Hey, but when you know you're sleeping alone before she came. Don't worry, you get used to it. Okay. Yeah.
Bye bye.
You know, and I'm like, okay, why not? After all, I actually introduced her to you guys, and yeah, you can already see from the title of this video, you know, yes, 2 months ago, is it 2 months, like 1 month ago, yeah, I had a help, you know, in which I actually introduced her to you guys, you know, and I thought that, you know, she was going to, you know, stay since she wanted to save up and go back to the university. That was actually a very good idea for her, you know. This is that I was working, I had to, you know, look for a place where at least they can, you know, give me a little time to sneak out and, you know, just go to school, so at least I can be a better person to myself, at least, you know, and of course to the society, to my family who wants to come back to work here. And yeah, since I actually introduced her to you guys, that's why I'm actually making this video, and also to actually, you know, ask you guys, is it a good idea that she comes back to work here? Should I accept her or should I not accept her back? Then, as a cleaner in in a laundry shop, I've worked as a cleaner in a bank, I've literally worked in so many places and with very small money. But that aside, let me talk about this. So she worked here, and then she was basically doing some of the chores, like cleaning the place and of course cleaning the kitchen and all of that stuff. When she came at first to work here, I was thinking she was going to come and go. That was actually my agreement, you know, with her initially. She was going to come, work and go, you know. So when I was actually interviewing her, I was telling her, okay, okay, if you want to stay, no problem. Now, for her leaving Saturday and Sunday was actually not among the plan of she living in my house, because I know that if she's she actually wanted a place to stay, because she was actually the one that asked me if she can stay. Okay, now, and then she said she was not going to go on Saturday and come back on Monday, that she was going to stay, and that she was going to stay. And I said okay. So it was Saturday, Sunday, she says okay, so she wants to go out, like, and I'm like okay. And I now I just came inside the room. I literally saw this girl lying down on my bed, and I asked her, excuse me, why are you on my bed? And she was like, oh, Elizabeth pushed her. And I'm like, in the kitchen I ate this food with the plates I used in serving my husband food. Do you understand? And then I was mad. I was like, even if you wanted to eat the food, won't you turn the food out from the plates that I used in serving my husband food? You get, every other person respects that, because that's why, even if the plate is not expensive, but because of the value I place in it, I use it to.
It has been a while, and I'm going to speak on this particular topic today. God has been so faithful to me all this while, because the way people think that you are, or the way they want to treat you. Now look at this, the end of the watch. What editorial did to me is not good at all. I'm not a bad person. I can just testify that I'm not a bad person. Working as a help with editorial was my first instinct of work. It was my first work to work with someone. And I was coming from village, and I said, okay, I'm going to city.
My people, I hope una don watch this video finish. You know, say editorial and piston matter just happen. Then this girl own one start again. You know, say this life, we know how Africa be. And we know if you start to dey follow editorial right from the beginning, you not be say I know editorial for anywhere. No be even say I send her. You know, everybody get their own for body. You understand? And you know me say editorial, you wrong you or you wrong one person, then you want come bring your ugly necks to take damage person image. Me, I know they support anything bad. No understand? I know they support anything. I hate when some people want try to climb. They want break somebody down. I hate it. I don't like them. If you want to grow, you ask something for person. That person refuse you. Not try break that person down because you don't know the struggle of that person. That so me see, you don't know the struggle of that person. Why now this girl they come out watching this girl video? She was forming like she dey shame. She no want camera. Then as she dey leave this woman house, the first thing she go open YouTube. Then as she open YouTube, she titled one of her video editorial. Nothing she talk about that editorial. She just talk about now today now be our Jesus Christ. Now today they burn our Jesus Christ for church when I they go. Now editorial name now she put. Why she put on? She knows say editorial now social media figure. That is people know editorial. Editorial not be superstar. May I tell you, my sister, or anybody when want try to break this lady down. She suffer. She struggle. Right from the beginning, now they follow this lady. Not be today they follow her. My main purpose of liking her for the first time. Now how she take carry herself, how she take struggle, and where she dey today. Where she dey today? Why you just enter person house? You according to this girl conversation, because me I go this editorial video. I pray may God give me power. Me I take do more video. Me I take break am down for una. First of all, this girl say, I see one video, and when they use police they arrest her, say they can't remove the video, and he can't delete the video. May una go watch her channel. Okay, you when they tell you say may you not mention editorial for your channel, but you title editorial for one of your video. My people, anybody when want bring me down for her or he to climb, may my God fight my battle for me. Yes, editorial wrong Piston. Everybody say, and Piston get her popularity when she, I don't say no be Piston matter they bring come out. But why this girl will just come out? They say, editorial, he has beaten, and they use police arrest her. And why you not bring the evidence? That police station, you, this girl, I know who will talk about you. You, this girl, go to that police station, go and bring the evidence. Why you want try to bring human being when you try to be? No be say editorial rich, no be say na millionaire, no be say na superstar. Now just a YouTube when they favor some of our Africa brother sister when they finish school, when they don't get work. Why we just be our own, by ourselves problem? Why? I don't know what, because I don't really sit down. I don't really know what I want to talk. Why? The thing they vex me, my people. You just now you make video, you title editorial. Why you if your editorial na arm robber, editorial na bad person, you go ever title her because you like what she they do. You want big deal. Why can't you start from the crash and big? You think say YouTube easy? You think say just say editorial, you just get the subscriber. You think say na so? You get where they go push you reach, they go dump you reach there. YouTube hard. No be what they call papa, they call mama. Me, I know they like some people when they will try to bring person down. When editorial even make video about the girl sit down for a bed. For me, I say, wait that one me. I don't know. No, everybody with their own. And the girl use her husband plate eat. I say, na my papa. Na my papa time, now those one rich. My time, I'm not saying though. I love my husband. I love him. But my husband a free person. Me too, na free person. Why you go just say use for me that video when editorial talk it for my I said maybe na you maybe look at like say na respect that one na my papa time all the days time. If you dey Europe today now use broken plate eat you can't drop am your house help or anybody can use am eat no that one not make sense. But my main purpose of doing this video, why this girl coming out say editorial use police take me husband slap me? Where is the evidence? We when we want to blast editorial, where is the evidence? If they pay her 15,000, now there are two agreements. If she say I know people when work when they pay them 10,000, editorial not be rich woman, editorial not just a content creator. May we get that one. He get follower. Then when they try to one still pick, we they use the title, we they use the picture. It not mean say maybe we just condemn and maybe we just damage her. No, now we are human. This girl not supposed to know. Many of us supposed to know. Say this girl is coming out to make that. She won't get that fame, and she won't get that fame because she enter editor. If you say editorial slapping, editorial, many of us go believe that is. Maybe not try look this girl. Why the crocodile tears? My people, I don't know whether or not they see what they see. Why the crocodile tears? You when you title editorial, when you use police, they arrest you. You title, you when you they shame, say me editorial not put camera, but you was bold on your video. I mean, you enter out. Anybody when one ever bring person down, for sure he to climb. You not go anywhere. Oh. If editorial husband even beats you, where is the evidence? I don't believe say that man, what now they call a manzi. I don't know that for anywhere. Why you want beat her? Editorial no even say, man, I go watch her for editorial channel. Editorial no even say the girl who come in house. He say he message her. Now true message, manzi editorial husband call te beat you. True message na editorial husband. I want know. Come outside again, may you tell me whether na true message because na message editorial say you send her. When editorial husband, because when they go, when you they go, camera follow you, come out. When editorial can't beat you, this thing just they pay me. People, may we mind people who enter our house. This girl, he get me when you take come. Like Piston, he come out. He use his brain. And I want to ask girl follow you for free. Then give me popular when I need. Then the Piston get popular. This girl, her motive of coming to editorial house, now how to do things. Because una see her, editorial say, why you dey comot? She not get anything to talk. Okay, you be say you will go school, you will gather money before you dey comot. Why you want just comot now? She not get anything to talk. Maybe after you don't know how to do again. Say she want editorial because I need you na comment. May I take her back? Many people, me I know the kukuma the drop home. Many people say no call her back. May I go look her when you take come up for editorial house last year. 1 year ago, she get video as a come up for editorial house. Because now what did she go do for there? Not be saying a real ass girl. My people, me una collect sense, so me I don't know what to talk, sha. Maybe I'll still come out again, re-break am because the thing they pay me. I dey hate some people when you want try bring human be like you down so that may you climb. Are you for real? Are you for real? You they come up for editorial house, you go to open China one year ago. Me I not dey against them. Now you know, but not by coming and forming crocodile tears. My people, my beautiful sisters, may una go dig about editorial videos. I beg. Yes, this girl, for me, I don't know. May una go what? Because it can happen to any of us. It can happen to any of us. Yes. People are really, I don't want to use them wicked or bad. I'll see you in my next video. I'll go break this video. That's I will break them down. Because the thing they pay me. If they pay me, what is this? Editorial suffer, is struggle. Go and struggle your own.